We are here on this very earth to love and to be loved.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at my M1 Pro MacBook Pro. I picked this unit up for £695 off eBay. It was a little bit battered and bruised, but after replacing the top case and a new battery, it's been running like new ever since. Still amazing to this day. I own the M1 Pro MacBook Pro, and this is my go-to laptop. It's light, portable, the screen is incredible, the speakers and the power for the price is unmatched. There's a few marks on the chassis, a couple of old sticker marks, but apart from that, with the HDMI, USB-C, SD card slot, it's everything I need. The screen, as we can see, is the 120Hz Retina display. Black's unbelievable, the mini LED. Once you've had one of these displays, looking at any other laptop, it's just not the same. I think buying one of these instead of an Air, for example, is a much better value if you can find a good one used on eBay. Good enough to eat. I mean, absolutely brilliant. You won't get a better display for the money. As you can see, nice and clean. The original top case was covered in scuffs and scratches, so I disassembled the laptop and replaced the top case. Took about an hour or two, and then paired with the HD 660S2 from Sennheiser. Unbelievable set of headphones. I also have the Moondrop 6XX. So here we have a sound test of the speakers. This is on around 50% volume. Just be wary, the next clip will be loud. And this is now at full volume. Audio is being recorded on the iPhone 12. As we can hear, unbelievable. I actually watched a review somebody made earlier this week that said the MacBook Pro speakers weren't that good, which I beg to differ. I think they are easily the best laptop speakers on the market. Not just volume, but the clarity, the bass, all sound incredible. So a little speedometer 3.0 test on the M1 Pro. We got 49 on the M4 Mac Mini recently. So we'll see what the M1 has to offer. So 33.3. And as you can see, even during heavy workloads like video editing, the fans never come on. I've owned this laptop now for 4 months and I've never heard the fans once. Geekbench scores. So top of the list is the M4. As we scroll down, we have the M3 Pro. Then below that we have the Snapdragon X Plus machine, which I currently do not own, I sent back. And then we have the M1 Pro. So the suite I use to record temperatures and monitor the system is called Stats. It's available from GitHub. You can monitor everything, all of the sensors, disk, RAM, GPU and CPU utilization. And it's got a handy battery monitor. The health of my battery is currently 91%. And that's due to using the USB-C charger, I think, to charge the machine rather than the supplied MagSafe. A few more beauty shots. So I think overall, for £695, for the top spec M1 Pro with a 1TB SSD. Great condition. Even when I bought it, the battery had just around 80 cycles. And then in comparison to this, the M3 Pro, I think they're very similar machines. I bought the M1 Pro due to the fact that the M3 Pro is so nice. I felt bad taking it out of the house in case I got a mark or a scratch on it. So that one stays inside the house in its safe prison. Stay tuned for another episode. This was video number 3. Really getting to grips with the editing. As you can see, the quality is just increasing episode by episode. Shaky camera there. I'm calling this one episode 3, Return of the Mac.